Alright guys, as you can see I'm on my dashboard, so let me quickly show you how you can be able to link your GBP account, so that is your British pound account. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So all you have to do is to come over to this place that says, if you like, you can go here, choose your bank account, or you can go over to this place. You can go over to this place, then you click, then you are going to click pay and get paid. You can see pay and get paid. You click pay and get paid. So once you come to pay and get paid, you will see bank accounts and cards. So you select bank account and cards. Alright, once you do that, you are going to select banks, as you can see. As you can see, just come over to this page that says banks. So click link a new bank account. You can see link a new bank account. So that's where we are going. Click link a new bank account. Alright, so once you have done that, you are going over to, you can see where it says bank account sort code and your account number. So those are the two things we need now. So we are going over now to look for our bank account sort code and our account number. You can see this is bank account sort code. You can see it. You can see my GBP bank account details. You can see my bank account sort code. This is it. I click copy. So I copy it, my sort code, bank account sort code. So it's a 6-digit. No, I didn't copy. Sort code copied. Bank account sort code. So I'll click the sort code. I'll paste it here. Then I will select the account number. So I will copy the account number. Take account number. Account number copied. I'll paste the account number and then I'll click agree and continue. You can see agree and link. So I'll click, so I'll click agree and link. So agree and link. And now it says submit direct debit instruction. It says name of account holder Misha Kosnachi Eze. Payment will appear as PayPal on your bank statement. A copy of your direct debit instruction will be emailed to you. If your bank account requires more than one person's signature to authorize bank transaction, you will need to print the instruction and send us a signed copy by post. If you need any help, call us. I will say finish later. So this is what I will do. Just click finish later. Finish later. As you can see, it says keep the direct debit instruction. If you don't accept the direct debit instruction, you won't be able to use your bank account to fund PayPal payment instantly. It says pay instantly from your bank at checkout. Send money to friends and family in the UK for free. You can still withdraw money from PayPal even if you don't submit the instruction. You can see it. Alright, so once you have entered that, you go over and then click finish later. Just click finish later. You say confirm your bank. You say we have sent a confirmation code to your bank account. Look for the code in your bank account activity and enter it below to confirm your account. 4-digit code will appear next to the GBP deposit we sent. Alright, so we're going over to our gray account. So as we get our code, you can see the code here. Say paper code. You can see that's the code. So we go over now. Alright, as you can see, I've entered the code. All I have to do is to go over and then click confirm. So I click confirm. Alright, you say your clear junction current account has been confirmed. So everything has been successfully linked. So you can go over and start receiving payment because our account has been linked. So all you have to do is to click done. So I click done. Alright, so our account has been linked, so you can receive payment in your PayPal account and then withdraw it to your grade.co British pound account, and then you can swap it to your local currency to Nigerian naira and then withdraw it to your bank account, Nigerian bank account. It is as simple as that. So that is how you can be able to do all that. So go over now and start doing your own. So if you get value, please do well to support us by clicking the like button and subscribe, and I will deeply appreciate. Thank you for watching.